The cabin filter. Now, it may not seem like the most important serviceable part, but it does play a critical role, not just in keeping certain components clean and dust-free, but also improving your health by filtering out pollen, bacteria, germs and dust from the air system inside the vehicle. Now, experts recommend that you replace the cabin filter every 12 to 15,000 miles, around once a year. On some cars, that can be incredibly difficult to do. But thankfully on the Mark II Skoda Octavia, it's a fairly straightforward process. Here's how it's done.
You'll be working in the front passenger footwell, where the cabin filter is located behind the glove box and underneath the dashboard itself. Locate this honeycombed panel. If there's a cover over the top of it, unscrew the nut or bolt holding that in and then find it towards the back of the footwell. Slide this honeycomb panel to the left towards the passenger door. There's a lip that will help you to do this. Then remove it and put it somewhere safe. Pull out the old cabin filter. You may have to work it side to side to do so, and watch out for any debris that it may have accrued over time.
As we can see side by side, the one on the right has outlived its usefulness.
Before putting the new filter in, brush the honeycomb panel down to remove any further debris. You don't want that around your new clean cabin filter. Take your new cabin filter and work it into the space. You may have to have a couple of goes to line it up, but ultimately you can get it in there if you work it in. Don't worry about it hanging down, the panel will sort that out. Get your bottom panel and put the lugs into the holes on the cabin filter. Then push it up and slide it to the right towards the driver's side. It will click into place. Clean the mat that was in the driver's side. Again, you don't want any of that debris around your new clean filter. Job done. Close the passenger door, enjoy your interior freshness.
And it's as simple as that. The interior of this car is now going to smell fresher and feel cleaner, and this old one is no longer fit for purpose and can go in the bin. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Auto Repair Focus YouTube channel to keep up to date with the latest car maintenance and aftermarket news. You can also check out our latest features and articles on autorepairfocus.com. Thanks for watching.